All right, guys, so I'm going to try and draw for you while recording on my camera here on my Chromebook. I can't say it's going to be perfect, but I'm hoping that maybe it will be a little bit easier for you to see how to use your compass and your protractor and your ruler to draw this x plus y. So I had already given you x plus y on the notes, and if I remember correctly, x is 2 centimeters and 50 degrees. And so I'm going to kind of give myself a little bit of a line here. Seems like maybe you can't see this at all. And on my line, I'm going to look for 50 degrees on my protractor and make a mark. Okay, so that's all I've done is just make a mark. And then I'm going to take my ruler, whichever ruler that you have, and I'm going to line up kind of like the center where I started with the 0 and only draw for 2 centimeters. Okay, so my drawing of my vector, hopefully you can see, looks like this. Okay, and then I'm going to draw out y next. So y was 1.6 centimeters and 320 degrees. And so I'm going to similarly kind of give myself just a line to start with. And like I said, so this all the way around here is 180. And so I need to kind of flip this upside down and think 180 plus 90. So this would be 270, 280, 290, 100, 310. 320 would be over here. And then I'm going to mark that spot and use my ruler again from the center to go 1.6 centimeters and draw that in. And so how the patty paper really helps you. So I've got my two drawings here. Hopefully you can see them. So how the patty paper really helps you is that when we're adding x plus y, the first thing that I want you to do is to draw x, and that's this, like trace it onto your patty paper. So I'm going to do that for myself. I'm going to place my patty paper on here. I'm going to draw my little line and then trace vector x. So you can probably see, hopefully you can see if I move my camera, I know this isn't the best here, that I've just traced this. And then using the tip to tail method, I'm going to take the tip of my vector x and move it to the tail of my vector y. Okay, so that's what I have here, where I have my patty paper lined up perfectly, and my two like horizontal lines are really parallel at this point. And then I'm going to draw in vector y that looks like this. So now I have them both. And my new vector is on my piece of patty paper here. It's from my original point to my new end of my vector. So draw that in, and then I'll hold it up so that you can see that this one here, you can see it, is x plus y. Okay, so I know that my drawing was bad. I know this isn't great either, but here it is.